How to give attendance.
Step 1. Open the school Excel app. Enter username. Enter password. Click on Login button. Step 2. Once logged in, click on Attendance option. In that, click on Student option. Select Class. Select Section. Choose Date. Then click on Filter button. Choose Status for all students from Select for Everyone option. Or select it for individual student. Give remarks if required. Click on Save. Step 3. To give attendance for employee, click on Employee option. Select Role. Choose Date. Click on Filter button. Choose Status for all students from Select for Everyone option. Or select Status manually for each employee. Give remarks if required. Click on Save button. Step 6. To give attendance for exam, click on Exam option. Select Exam. Select Class. Select Section. Select Subject. Choose Status for all students from Select for Everyone option. Or select it for individual student manually. Give remarks if required. Click on Save button. Step 7. To check attendance of student, first log out from admin account. Log into student account by giving username and password. Once logged in, click on Attendance option. Select Month. Click on Filter button. Here you can check attendance of that month.
Thank you.